How to backup WhatsApp messages on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to safely backup all your WhatsApp chats on your Android phone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And here, once inside the app, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on that, a drop down menu will appear. From there, simply tap on settings. And now here, once you are inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on chats. And now here, inside the chat section, you can see the option labeled as chat backup. So simply tap on that. And now here, once you are inside the chat backup section, there you can see the option labeled as automatic backups. So simply tap on that. And from the pop-up menu, simply set automatic backups as daily. And once you have done with that, simply toggle on the include videos button and backup using cellular button. And after that, you can simply tap on backup. And that's it. Now you have secured your WhatsApp messages. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.